First, I'll start with the miniature photography, and for this, just open your photograph in the PicsArt app, and then you can choose the option called Cut Out. Then there's an option to select the portion of the photograph you want, like the person face or background. Here I've selected as person. This will automatically select the portion of the photograph where I am, and to increase the precision of the selected area I need to use the tools restore and erase, and by doing this I'll just increase the precision and correctly select the area that I want. Manipulate the hardness at the edges to get a smoother cutout. You can also increase and decrease the size of the brush to select the area. Select the preview option to get an idea about the cutout you have made, and then you can more precisely deal with the edges. Save the cutout to your gallery, and then you can use this cutout on any picture and play around with your creativity. Since we all are missing vacation right now, so I'll choose a vacation pic, and then I'll use add photo and select this cutout and place it anywhere in the picture, wherever you want. This is your way to do it. And because I love clicking pictures, so I'll be sitting on the camera, and then you can just color correct the picture. This looks like a fun, cool vacation picture, so you can just play around with any type of photograph. So next I'll be using this background, so anything you can do. So this is really fun if you are at home and you want to try out something cool for your Instagram. This is the thing for you. These kind of levitation photography can be very easily achieved in PicsArt, which I recently discovered. All you need to do is to remove the object. Like I am sitting on a stool in this picture, so I'll be just removing it. For this you need to click two pictures, one where you're posing as if you're floating in the air, and second you have to click another picture without you in the background, so you just need to keep the frame same. So here I've clicked two pictures, and now I am adding that picture on top of the picture where I am actually. So you can use the option add photo and add the second layer where there's no object. Now the process is almost the same. You just need to use the two same tools, erase and restore, and gradually and precisely select yourself from the second layer of the picture. And this is just masking, so you're just selecting one portion from the second layer and other portion from the top layer. The trick here is to blend these two images so that they appear as one, and this is a very fun way of creating these kind of creative pictures without using any professional editing software like Lightroom or using the desktop versions. You can simply do it on your phone. So this is very easy breezy. So do check out these options in PicsArt because I've recently discovered them and I'm just loving them. I've done all the editing using the free version of PicsArt, so you don't need to go for the paid version. This is all available in the free version.
Really
found this tutorial helpful, then please do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to come up with more such tutorials. And I don't use Pixar on a daily basis. I generally use Snapseed for daily editing pictures, but this is something really fun and creative that I found out on Pixar. So I just thought of sharing with you guys. And also, if you're interested in travel, DIYs, photographies, or you want to know more about life in Germany, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. Till then, enjoy the little things in life because life is beautiful. Bye.